This is the Red Rover, my novel approach to vacuum cleaning. It doesn't seem to be in the mood for housekeeping right now, so let's move on. So far, it's no more than just a radio-controlled, functional prototype of something that will become a motorized undercarriage for my autonomous, obstacle-crawling, robotized vacuum cleaner. If you're wondering what it is capable of, stay tuned. I am Kowalski, and welcome to the club. The whole autonomous vacuum cleaning project will include the undercarriage, or carrier vehicle if you will, the actual vacuum cleaning attachment, an ultrasound camera, which I already have but want to modify to better suit this vehicle, and a ton of software to make this thing move all on its own. But you know what? Let's leave it for another video and let's focus on the cool features of this vehicle. And now, number 1, the design. The design. The design. Since we're focusing only on the vehicle, I want to show you why I made the choices which led to this vehicle ending up having this shape. So, first of all, I was inspired by my son's radio-controlled rock crawler. Secondly, I wanted to try to use tension springs instead of compression springs in a vehicle suspension. Third major factor was to work around some of the limitations that production cars have, especially steering angles and suspension travel. As a car guy, I wanted to experiment a bit here to see what will happen if I build things differently. Let's see this thing in action. And now, number 2, let's get some action. This is the very first test drive with software limited just to basic movements. Now a one-wheel burnout, my tribute to all the open differentials out there. Now a classic two-wheel burnout. Now a burnout with two wheels but on one side, because why not? And notice they're spinning in opposite directions. So I put it on a scale and it weighs just short of 3 pounds, so it seems to be a bit on the heavy side, but let's not do any of the body shaming nonsense. Yeah, let's do some crazy stuff. All kinds of burnouts, all kinds of wheel turning is allowed. Let's run over some obstacles. This is not a malfunction. This vehicle is designed to be able to lift a wheel off the ground. Any of its wheels. Yay, made it! Now to hell with that box. And let's do some more random crazy stuff. Yeah, let's do the side slides, the burnouts, and other burnouts. And even more sliding and burning out. Okay, let's run over something bigger. This case is almost 1.5 the height of the vehicle's wheel. Let's see if we can make it. Let's approach it from the angle. Lift one wheel and support ourselves on the top of the case. Now, let's move the outstanding rear wheel to the front to provide support for the other front wheel, so that we can lift it off of the ground and put it on the case. Let's lift the rear wheels off the ground and try to pull ourselves forward using just the front wheels sliding on the belly. This crazy random wheel movement is a result of a power surge due to extreme load on the suspension control motors. Okay, let's try to slowly get some more grip on the front wheels, pull our butt forward a bit to be able to put the rear wheels down on the case. Now, let's drop the front wheels down. Let's get off of this case. Bravo, little robot. Congratulations. Good boy. Let's run over something even bigger than the case. Let's lift one wheel. Let's try to lift the other wheel. Okay, let's bend over that thing. Now we're trying to get some grip with the front wheels, but we gotta go out of balance over the top of this roller. Yeah, maybe let's try to lift the front wheels up in the air. Take the back wheels as low as we can. Maybe this will shift the weight a bit. Let us go through the top of the roller. Yep, we got it. Let's slide on the belly. We got it. Now we can see the crazy steering angle of all the wheels. We can totally make a U-turn while staying in place. Okay, I also included in the software the control of body roll in the turns. So you can have negative body roll in tight turns. The tighter the turn, the more negative body roll you will have. The whole thing turned out to be super easy to drive thanks to the controller I made, letting you control whichever wheels you wish independently. Even my 6-year-old son, who drove it for the very first time, drove it like a pro. Hey, what is it, robot? Oh yeah, you're right. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And now, number 3, the epilogue. If you'd like to see more videos starred by the Red Rover, let me know in the comments below. Below. Lower. Even lower. All the way down. How low can you go? Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That's it for today. See you in the next video. I only hope this guy is not up to something stupid with that limbo stick. Oh dear. What does it want to do now? Where are you taking that limbo stick? Come back, dude.